What is necessary condition and sufficient condition? Necessary condition means to eliminate something undesirable. A common man seeks to find out that condition in the absence so that event would not occur. This is called necessary condition. Necessary condition means to avoid something. The event should not occur. So for that precautionary method is used. Example, take the case of a doctor who has to treat a patient of typhoid. He is interested in finding out what bacteria cause the disease. For the precaution, absence of this bacteria, the person will be free from the disease. This is the necessary condition. In this precautionary method is taken means to eliminate something undesirable, means we don't want that event to come. So for that we take some precautions. It is called necessary condition. Then sufficient condition. Sufficient condition means to produce something desirable. Means if we want that event should occur, then we take the precautions or we take the responsibilities that event must occur. So when the purpose is to produce a desirable effect, it would not be much help to know a particular condition. He must know all the conditions for the occurrence of the effect. These conditions are called sufficient condition. Sufficient condition is that condition in the presence of which the effect must occur. Means for the desirable thing, necessary steps will be taken. This is the sufficient condition. Then respondent superior. Respondent superior is a doctrine that a party is responsible for the acts of their agent. It means let the master responsible. Master answer. Example, when a truck driver's negligence result in a truck accident, person injured in the accident may be able to bring a truck driver's employer, usually a trucking company, into a lawsuit. Means here, though the driver is responsible, then also the truck's main master is going to compensate to that person who has suffered a loss. Means here the owner of the company is liable. Means let the superior make answer. Respondent superior. It's like vicarious liability. Then vis measure. Vis measure means the act of the god. Vis measure is a Latin in a superior force. It means a loss that result immediately from a natural cause. It is an inevitable accident or an act of a god. Accident which is occurred because of natural event is called as vis measure or act of a god.